Do you know that a well-customized YouTube channel can attract more subscribers even before people watch your videos? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to customize your YouTube channel so it looks professional and attractive. We will learn how to add a profile picture, create a channel banner, write channel description, and organize the channel layout. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, make sure you watch this video until the end. Yes, before starting, let me show you a sample of channel which is customized, and I will show you one which is not customized and show you how you can customize it. Step by step, we should follow where we are customizing our channels. But please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that also they can learn how to customize their channels, right? So we click on YouTube as usual. For those who are using smartphones, what you need is just YouTube Studio, right? So for those who are using smartphones, you have to open your YouTube Studios and follow steps that you are going to see. So for those who are using computers, after reaching here on YouTube, let me show you where to click so that you can start using your YouTube Studio. Here, YouTube Studio is the dashboard where you manage and customize your channel. So let us wait for network a little bit and show you. Yes, here as you see, we are in YouTube. So what you need to do is just come here on this icon, channel icon here, then you select YouTube Studio. For those who are using computers, but for those who are using smartphones, you just need to open YouTube Studio application. Now, after getting here, this is my dashboard where I am in channel development. Yeah, what we need to do now is to search for customization icon. You see on left side here on these icons, you see there are different icons. What we need here is this one, customization. You see, you click on it, then after clicking on it, you see you will get different like background of this channel, right? Yes, you see, you will see this is called banner image. This is called banner image, which is large image displayed at the top of your channel. This is the channel image. As you see, this channel image is one looks on your channel icon. It represents your channel identity. But for this banner image is image at the top of your channel. So here is name of your channel. Then this is what you call handle or just a link of your channel. Here is description. This is description. This one of your channel. Also here, this is link of your channel. You can copy it and share it to your audience. These are links that linked with this channel, right? To mean that I tried to link my channel with other social medias, with my other social medias. You will see like TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. This was another channel called Emoji AI. So you see, you can also link your channel with other social medias using this section right here. So also here you see this is what you call subscribe icon, small subscribe icon that looks on your each video. Whenever you upload a video and someone tries to play that video, we'll see this icon here. So you can also manage it using this section. You can just remove it or change it. So without spending much more time, let me show you how you can customize a channel. For example, once I come here and shift or switch from this channel to another channel, let me open this one and show you how channel which is not customized looks like. Then this is my new channel. Also, you can support me by just come and subscribe on it. It's all about life content, life skills, Wisdom Hub. Yes, now here also, of course, we need to come and click on this customization and see how now it looks like. You see, there is no banner, there is no image that display your channel. This is name of a channel, the handle is there, but there is no description, but it's already linked with other social medias. I will show you how you can link. There's also, you see, there is no that subscribe icon looks like here. You see, looks here, there is no longer there. So I will show you how you can insert it on that place, right? So let us start step by step, show you how you can customize your channel. Yes, first step, as I showed you, we start by here on YouTube, right? As usual. Then first step is to come and click on this icon so that you can start use our YouTube studio here. Then after opening our YouTube studio, what we need to do is just to click on customization icon here, right? And remember, I told you that when we say YouTube studio, it's like a dashboard where you manage your customization and your layout, right, for your channel. So we click here on customization. This is the second step. After opening YouTube studio, we go and open customization here. Then here you see is where we can manage layouts of our channel. Now, without spending much more time, let us start by just uploading what you call banner image. I already explained to you what banner image means. So to upload this banner image, we need to come and click here on upload icon. We select among our images. So let us use this one. You select it and click on open here. And then you see, you can just select based on what you want, you see. Then here is for TV. It looks like this one, but for viewable on all devices. This part will be viewable on all devices, and also this part will be viewable on just desktop, right? To mean that it covers all devices. So you click on it done here. You see now our banner is now uploaded. So you can change it or you can remove it by clicking on this icons. Once you click on this remove, to mean that there is no banner, you remove banner. But once you click on this change, in that case you can select another image to use as the banner for this channel. So let us see now how you can upload here an image for your channel. Yes, also nothing is complicated. We need to come and click on this upload icon here. You click on it. Also select image. Let us select this one. Then click on open. Also you can now crop based on what you want. You see it looks like this one. You can crop it when you want, you need it, but for us let us use it as it is, like this. Then you click on it done. You see also is now it started here. As you see, it's now starting to look attractive, right? Then here now let us see about channel name of channel. Here you can just also change it. Here you can just write our channel, let us call it Wisdom Hub, like this one. So you can rename your channel whatever you want based on your purpose and purpose of your channel, right? Then here also we need to give our channel description, to explain for our audiences the purpose of this channel, what they will learn, then how this channel will help them, things like that. So for description you can write yourself, and just you can use AI assistants. I already showed you how you can use AI assistants to develop your channel. Once you are able to use AI to create a title or just a description of video, you can also do the same for description of channel. So for me, I already prepared my description here. Let me copy it. Remember, here you can just learn different skills, also how to use these applications like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and so on and so forth. So I just copy and paste my description here. This one. Welcome to Durable Wisdom Hub, your daily source of real life skills, powerful quotes, and timeless wisdom. I'm Jevizo, OG Official, and here we explore life deepest truth, one quote and skill at a time. Subscribe for uplifting motivation, practical advice, and mindset shift that help you live properly every day. So this is my description for my channel. So also you can write yours. Then you can change this one. You can just only copy. This is a channel link. Then here is very important section. You see, this is very important section. Here is where you can just link your channel with other website or with other your social medias, because that can help you to grow your channel as well as those other social medias. So here what you need to do now is just to click here to add another social media like Instagram. You can just come and click on this add icon. You see, we click on this add icon here. Then after, you see you have now where you can write what you want here. The link title, let us call it Instagram. Then we need that link for Instagram. Just come and search for our Instagram here. You can just write Instagram here. My Instagram is this one. I search for it. Let us wait a little bit while it is loading, so that you can copy its link and just paste it there. Nothing is complicated. I just copy this one because this is my Instagram link. You see, then you come and paste it here. Here, you see now is there. To me that whenever someone open my channel GWO Wisdom Hub, he or she will be able to visit my Instagram by just clicking on this link, right? So also this is understandable and is very important for those who want to grow their channels. So now let us see how we can now insert that small subscribe icon. We are now on video watermark. Here on video watermark is where you can insert that small subscribe icon, you see here. Then so let us see how you can do this. Then what you need to do is just come and click on upload here. You see, we click on upload. You can just come and select whenever you want. Let us select our image. Let me use this one. I want to use some image stored here. I want to use this YouTube icon. You click on open, you see, then you click done. As you see, is now inserted here. You see, then also here you have to select where this icon should be available. Is it at the end of video? Is it custom start time when your video is in starting, or is it for entire video from start to end? But for me, I should click on this so that it looks on that video from start to end. To mean that for all minutes of my video, right? So click on it, change it, or remove for remove it, right? So as you see, we already filled all necessary information here: banner, then image, channel name, description here to link our channel with other social media. Here also how to insert this subscribe icon for our channel, so that for every video we uploaded we have this icon, right, from starting point to end point since you select entire video. Then here we click on publish to save our changes. We click on publish here. Yes, as you see, changes published. Go to channel. You can now go to our channel. Now this is our image banner. Remember, this is our image banner. Channel name GWO Wisdom Hub, as you see. Then our image that present our YouTube channel here. This one, remember. Then once I click here on more here, you see my description. Welcome to Digital Wisdom Hub, your daily source of life. Yeah, you see, this is our description already inserted. Also remember, for links we insert Instagram. You see this one. Remember, you see this one. So whenever someone come and click on Instagram, you see automatically we now access our Instagram. This one, you see, it's just simple and very, very important for small creators, also for professional ones, because it helps your audience to interact with you easily. Either you can insert your X or Twitter, you can insert your Facebook, Instagram, other YouTube channels, so that they can also help together, right? You can use this tool to link your channels so that one can help another to grow. Then let us close this, and now you can also click here to customize our channel, right? As you see, you can here also see more links by just clicking there. Also you can access these informations, right? So please let me invite you also on this channel, GW Wisdom Hub. Subscribe on it and share our videos to others so that they can also still learn together, right? It's all about life skills, and as you see, is now growing somehow. Yeah, it's short but growing, you see. Yeah, this is also very, very important and interactive channel, right? So by the end of this lesson, remember, in this video we learned how to customize a YouTube channel by editing the layout, branding, and basic information. Also, I can advise you, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to grow their YouTube channel, right? As you see, this is very important channel and lesson. So see you in next lesson.